Oh, I just hate it when you ain't got a sharp pencil. I know what I'm going to do. That should be better. No more blunt pencils. Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome along everyone. I recently did one of my clock pyrography projects, and what I found was that when I was tracing out the image using a pencil like that, it soon becomes sort of fairly blunt, and it makes harder to get into the detailed lines of where you want to trace. Now, I've made a lot of pens over the past, all for sale and gifts, very few for myself, but I've never made myself a pencil. So I'd got one pencil kit left and I decided to make one, and I thought it would be more ideal for tracing. So this one is solely for the workshop. Now, I have no idea whatsoever what the wood is. It was a pen blank that I was given as a gift, probably for Father's Day or Christmas or birthday, something like that, and they have the habit of taking off all the labels because they're usually taking the prices off, and then I have no idea what it is. Having said that, I found another one which is exactly the same wood, but they've got torn most of the label off, but they've just torn the description off, so I don't know whether it shows on there. It's got the price, and that would have been £1.70, so it could have been part of a big pack. The only thing I can make out on this, it's something like something deadwood pen blanks. So if anybody's got any idea, please do let me know, because I would love to know what this is. Turning it, it was fairly chippy. It did sort of chip out a fair bit, which is why I had to fill the end with CA glue and bits of chips from the pen when I was turning it down. That I'm really pleased with. So as a workshop pencil, it will be fine. I've also given this, I sanded it to 600, and for a change I used the EEE Ultrashine and the Shellawax. And the reason I did that is I don't use it very often, and it would be nice to see how this stands up to general use, and especially in an environment like the workshop, just to see how much this dulls. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next project video.